Hey everyone, Chris here at Katana. We just launched a new feature that makes purchasing a whole heck of a lot easier. If you log into your account and go to the items screen and then select the materials tab, you'll see a full list of all the materials in your Katana account. On the screen, there's a new column here called default supplier. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to select one of the materials here. And then inside of that material card, it gives you the option to select a default supplier for that material as well as that material's variance. So the next time you go to your stock page, and select your materials tab here, you can click the buy button on any of these items that has a default supplier. It'll give you the option to add other missing materials from that same supplier to this purchase order. You can select create and open order. And then what it does is it adds any missing materials from your stock onto this purchase order for that supplier, as well as their associated missing quantities. You then can now go ahead and save it as a PDF and send it to your supplier. And then as soon as your materials arrive, just select received and you're good to go.